Secretary Fortunato de la Peña, Undersecretary Rowena Cristina Guevara, Undersecretary Sancho Mabora, Assistant Secretary Maridon Sahagon, Assistant Secretary Leia Buendia, Assistant Secretary Chidoro Gatchalian, Assistant Secretary Diana Ignacio, DOST-STII Director Richard Burgos, our moderator for today, directors of our DOST councils, agencies, and regional offices, our esteemed resource speakers, special guests from the private sector, our fellow workers in government. To our participants, good morning. Today, the scientific community is in anticipation of another iteration of the National Science and Technology Week. Our humble contribution in promoting the various breakthroughs in science, technology, and innovation. Last year, we have pivoted to virtual means in celebrating this annual exposition, and it never came to our minds that the exhibits, symposia, and seminars that we used to do face-to-face can also be done virtually. Our esteemed speaker that I would be introducing later was instrumental in this novel initiative to innovate in the way we conduct the NSTW, because according to him, there is no compromise when it came to continually serving our fellow Filipinos, despite the odds we are facing, the challenge brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. More than ever, he said, this is the best opportunity for the whole science community to work together and to show our people that science, technology, and innovation are drivers of positive change, solution providers, and enablers of communities to be more adaptive to the current situation. Therefore, not to celebrate the NSTW just because of the pandemic was never an option. With this year's theme, Aghama Teknolohiya, Tugon sa Hamon ng Panahon, we at the entire scientific community would like the public to know that we are firmly standing our ground despite many limitations in budget, time, and human resources. Our keynote speaker reminded us then that our mandate as public servants and leaders in science, technology, and innovation is to provide the highest degree of service so that our people will be empowered towards achieving sustainable development and inclusive growth. Our contributions to society by harnessing the power of science, technology, and innovation, no matter how modest it may be, remains our moral obligation to our country and our people. And the 2021 NSTW will be a testament to the hard work of the entire DOST family to deliver our humble offering of knowledge, unique experience, positive engagement, and fun. At this point, allow me first to briefly walk you through to some of the activities, technologies, and programs that are featured in this week-long celebration, the concept of which was the result of the collaborative minds of our top management, spearheaded by our keynote speaker. Among the activities to be showcased are the Disaster Risk Reduction Management Robotics Competition of a DOST National Capital Region, Lab to Fab classroom exhibits of the Philippine Textile Research Institute, showcasing the many innovations that PTRI is really dressing up. The launching of the Display and Exhibits Center of DOST Technology, Application, and Promotion Institute will pave the way for more sophisticated mode of exposition. In the area of livelihood training, the DOST-Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources Research and Development will hold the Yamang Galing sa Kapaligiran, Dangal ng Pamayanan, while the DOST Industrial Technology Development Institute will showcase its prototyping technology through a virtual workshop. Aside from these, we will have various webinars including the medical use of nuclear science, design and production of medical equipment parts, while the National Research Council of the Philippines will conduct a webinar on the results of the study on the country's rich biodiversity in Siargao, titled Worth More Than Gold, Siargao's Biodiversity. The DOST Advanced Science and Technology Institute will feature their newly developed mobile application called KUHA, while the National Academy of Science and Technology will let the public explore its virtual tour, where renowned Filipino scientists and their notable works are featured that will surely inspire our young scientists and researchers. There will also be SciTalk, the role of international collaboration in science, technology, and innovation. A TED Talk-inspired teaching, wherein expert foreign speakers in various areas of study or expertise are invited to share their knowledge and insights on various concerns in science and technology. We will also have several program project launches, including the S&T Fellows that will strengthen our local research and development pool, and the Science for the People book series, composed of 10 volumes, heralding the many innovations and achievements of the DOST for the past 6 years. Meanwhile, the Philippine Journal of Science, which is celebrating its 115th anniversary, will conduct a virtual discussion on 3 of its well-acknowledged studies. But that is not all. There are other exciting activities and programs that are binge-worthy to watch in the 2021 NSTW. As we transition to a better normal, as current situation improves where science, technology, and innovation played an important role, we in the science community remain very optimistic, and I would say little wiser perhaps, as we rise above our limitations and hurdle the challenges, knowing more than ever that science really works. And it is true enough, science is for the people.